Hello and welcome to day 54. Today you will follow me on a full workout routine here in my home gym in the garage. We always start with the most important part, wrist warm-ups and shoulder circles. So now we start with the first kickups of the day. I use a Metronome. It's an app that beeps every second. This lets me focus on balance 100%, so I don't have to look at the clock to know how long I'm holding it. So now we go to the rings. After the kickups, I like to do the inverted ring hangs. I really like that I can keep the balance in the rings, but it's so much easier than on the floor. I think this builds a little bit experience for being upside down. And of course, maybe it helps a little bit on shoulder strength as well. Also in the rings, I do the inverted L-sits. It looks so impressive because I cannot do L-sits, but the inverted L-sits, it's actually cheating. This is more of stretching than core training because it's gravity pulling my legs down. So I use it as a stretching exercise. So after the workout, I always go to the treadmill. The treadmill gives me endurance. I have been running on the treadmill every day since the end of December, and I don't run so far every time, but I run something every day. And it helps me to clear my mind, and it helps me also to warm up before the final technique exercises and stretching, so I have a warm body before stretching. So after the running, I am warmed up and it's time for stretching. And after running and stretching, I do some extra handstand kickups and crow pose, so I can compare the balance and feel, is there any difference when I work with tired muscles or fresh muscles? Thank you for watching to the end of day 54. Every beep from the metronome takes me one step closer to that free handstanding push-up. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.